Hi, I'm Kasper Davies. I'm a multinational director, DOP, and cinematographer based out of Wrocław, Poland. I specialize in shooting food and tabletop work. In this short video, I want to go through my shooting style and what I believe it brings to the creative table. I mainly shoot a rather unique combination of stop motion and live action of different frame rates. This particular look is quite reminiscent of the director duo such as Michael Roulier and Philip Noam. I want to make it clear, this is not a traditional type of stop motion animation, rather a more modern and timeless look that competes very well with the typical TVC market. Utilizing stop motion animation with live action allows me to create immersive imagery that can compete with other much used techniques such as high-speed advertising. Not only will this positively set the campaign apart in the creative and visuals, but it also allows me to work at a far more competitive rate than a typical shooting setup. I have experience shooting on larger sets with many moving parts, yet have the capability to work on compressed sets with as few crew members as possible. I'm able to provide remote studio locations in Poland, along with my own remotely supervised studio, or travel to the client's destination of choice. As a director still at a youthful age, I find it necessary to understand both the history and the future of visual advertising. I believe the industry is moving towards new platforms where TVC is no longer the single area of focus for brands. Building campaigns need to be adapted to the current attention market and can't simply follow a cookie-cutter look. And I feel this is a subject that requires immense self-awareness and balance. The way I work. I have skills in the culinary world and in team management. We're working on set with multiple personalities. I find it extremely important to build rapport with all team members. So, to sum up, I'm a creative that has a passion for bringing aesthetically beautiful imagery, all whilst maintaining a professional attitude with the team and the creative that's involved. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.